What's up guys? So, Huawei facing a lot of problems, but Huawei is not stopping. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's start the video. So, the Huawei's Mate 40 Pro launch date is around the corner, but there is another smartphone we've seen speculating so far, which is the folding Huawei Mate X2 5G that we have talked about it earlier. That this phone is certainly in development and will closely look like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 in terms of design, but now, thanks to Let's Go Digital and concept creator, we can take a good look at what could be the Mate X2 5G's final design. So yes, this is it. Like according to all the rumors, this is the Huawei's Mate X2 phone will look like. And honestly, this smartphone won't just follow the Galaxy Z Fold 2's design, but Mate X2 5G. Leaks have suggested a similar 120Hz folding display at a size of 8.3 inches, itself made by Samsung. Yes, its display will be made by Samsung. However, the smaller outer display is rumored to be a 4.5 inches, which features a dual-punch selfie camera instead of a single selfie camera at the front. And as far as the specs are concerned, the phone will feature the Kirin 9000 chipset. And fun fact, everyone is saying that this phone will feature the next generation Kirin 1000 chip, but right now, it's not possible due to the ban. Anyway, it will paired with an 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage for the base variant. And you know what? The camera will be the best point of this smartphone. Like the Mate X2 will have a 40-megapixel main camera, coupled with another 40-megapixel ultra-wide-angle one, along with a 12-megapixel telephoto camera, with 3 times optical zoom capabilities. The selfie hole punch cameras are said to be either 32 megapixels or 16 megapixels. So yes, it seems Huawei is planning to do an immersive job in the camera department of its folding phones too. And with that being said, we are yet to see this phone officially announced, and I'm really looking forward to see how Huawei will handle the situation with non-Chinese markets, considering its expected lack of Google apps and services. So, what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, sub to the channel will be make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Got a lot to say, 'cause I back it up. So appreciate I could pick it up. Living on the way, don't you know I'm